Hello everyone, we are from E&I department. We did the project on RFID based attendance system. This project presents a cost-effective RFID attendance tracking system integrating Google Spreadsheet for real-time monitoring. This system utilizes ESP8266 and RFID technology to minimize manual errors, enhance accuracy, and provide instant attendance update. The ESP8266 RFID attendance system with Google Sheet is a cost-effective wireless attendance tracking solution designed for educational institutions, offices, or any environment requiring efficient attendance management. The system integrates an RFID module for scanning unique user IDs via ID cards or tags and an ESP8266 Wi-Fi module for real-time data transmission. Upon scanning, the system logs the attendance details such as date, time, and user ID directly into a Google Sheet, providing an easy-to-access and organizing record of attendance. The ESP8266 module connects to the internet and communicates with Google Sheets through API, automating the process of attendance tracking without the need for manual input. This project not only reduces the need for transitional paper-based system but also ensures the accuracy and accessibility of data which can be monitored remotely. The system is scalable and customizable to fit various needs, making it practical and modern solution for attendance management. Thank you.